टू दिस HTML सेशन। प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने देखा कि ये इनलाइन एलिमेंट्स क्या होते हैं और ब्लॉक एलिमेंट, ब्लॉक लेवल एलिमेंट्स क्या होते हैं। तो इनलाइन एलिमेंट्स विल ऑक्युपाई कंटेंट, इनलाइन एलिमेंट्स वैसे एलिमेंट होते हैं जो बस कंटेंट विथ लेते हैं, वेयर एज ब्लॉक लेवल एलिमेंट्स वैसे एलिमेंट होते हैं जो इंटायर विथ अ ब्राउजर लेते हैं। अगर आप उसमें नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट ऐड करोगे तो यू विल बी डिस्प्लेड इन व्हाट, न्यू लाइन। फाइन। सो इन दिस लेक्चर वी विल बी सीइंग हाउ टू insert image in HTML file. So an image is used to display picture in web page. Fine. So how we can add image? Like open the Angular brace, there is one tag called img, and inside that you can add, you will be adding source. Source is equals to, in the double quote, you have to add what, path of that image. Fine. And what is this else for? Like if अगर आपका वो इमेज लोड ना हो पाया, लाइक यूजर उसको अगर खोले और वो इमेज लोड ना हो पाया, या वो इमेज को अगर कोई ब्राउजर सपोर्ट ना करे, तो वो एक टेक्स्ट दिखाएगा जो कि सिमिलर होगा उस इमेज के। लाइक यू आर गिविंग वन इमेज ऑफ अ गर्ल, लाइक सो इट विल, इफ अगर वो इमेज लोड ना हो पाया तो उसके नीचे एक टेक्स्ट लिखा देगा, गर्ल गर्ल इमेज। ओके, फाइन. So alt tag is an attribute which can be used to provide alternative text for an image if the image is not loaded properly. Like, right, for img we have additional attribute like height and width. So image tag के लिए आप image का height fix कर सकते हो, width fix कर सकते हो, right? So moving to Visual Studio Code. Okay, fine. Like I am giving what, image dot html, right? image.html inside this. Like I had in the previous lecture में मैंने आपको बताया था कि हम boilerplate HTML कैसे लाते, कैसे लाते हैं। Like insert one exclamatory sign and press enter, boom, you are moved to what, boilerplate code of HTML. Fine. So these are what, boiler codes. So there is title, I don't want to change the title, so moving to our concept. So inside this body tag I want to add one image in this web page. So first, अगर इमेज को ऐड करना है तो हमारे पास इमेज होना चाहिए. सो आई विल बी डाउनलोडिंग वन इमेज like this image. Fine. I will be downloading this image. So here we are working in what, HTML session is my folder name. Fine. So we will be we can I can I will what, simply place this image, what, save image as, I will place this image in HTML session only. Fine. HTML session, I have in D drive, I have HTML session, so I will save this in there only. So in Visual, that is the quality of, that is the feature of Visual Studio Code, that you can get that image on here only, and you can copy that image path. And like emg tag is open, src is there, equal to, you will be put what, here the path of the image. Okay, after adding the path, what, alt equal to, like you can give what, bicycle. So if the user is not unable to open that page, so it will be showing what, bicycle. So that user can get, okay, so this image which is not loaded is of what, bicycle. Fine. So I will be closing this. Okay, saving this application and copying path and moving to what, pasting. You can see I'm getting or not, I'm getting or not. Okay, so I can change the width, height of this image. Like here I am copying this and pasting it here. Fine. So after this image, like in, you can after the, अगर ये सोर्स के बाद, पाथ के बाद, पाथ देने के बाद आप इसकी प्रॉपर्टी लिख सकते हो, व्हाट, height equal to, like 200. Okay, like 200 pixel height I want to give, and I also want to give width of 100 pixel. Okay, width of what, width of 100 pixel, right? Save this application and copy path and paste it here. Like I'm getting or not, I'm giving height at what, height as what, height as what, height as what, height as 200 pixel, whereas width has what, 100 pixel. Like I want to give one, I want to, अगर मैं इस इमेज को बड़ा करना चाहूँ तो I will give height as what, 500 pixel, and width also 500 pixels. Save this application by ctrls, copy path and move to what, Chrome. I will paste it here like this. So I'm getting a not big image of this. Fine. So you can do this also. Okay. So this image tag is used to what, insert image in your web page. Okay. Fine. So like if you have one image in what, local disk E drive, so basically you have one, I have one like image here also. So like this image is there or not, like this image is there, like I want to display this image. Image not opening, like I want to display this image. So I will copy path from here and paste it in what, source file, like in path file, and boom, I will get what, the image. Like here copy is there, so image src, I will paste it here, delete. Like I think it is not copied yet. Copy path. Oh, sorry. The image is copied now. Path is not copied. Like why it is not open? Yeah, it is opening. It has opened. So what you can do is copy this path, or you can simply move it to what, your folder. Your folder is where, HTML session. So paste it here, guys. It is more simple. So you will see one image here also. So you can what, copy this, copy path. You want to copy, you will copy what, path. I was copying image only. So here save this application, ctrls, and copy path of this whole, and what, paste it here. I'm getting different image or not? Okay, fine. So simply move to your folder जिसमें आप काम कर रहे हो. Like I am working in HTML session, so I want what, this image in this, I had shifted what, this image in this folder, so I can easily open this folder and copy that path from here and paste it here. Simple. Okay. So if you like this, video, make sure to give a thumb up. Okay, fine. Thank you.